How to add text caption to your videos using TikTok, since CapCut no longer allows you to do this for free. Kindly turn your screen to landscape for better viewing. So I'm going to import this video to my TikTok. So I click on next. Now I first have to move the video so you can hear me. There are two ways to do this. You can either click this second icon here to come here, okay? Or you can click on this arrow button before my picture down here and scroll up to see caption. Can you see caption here? Okay. But let's go with the up one. So this one. Now you can see text. Click on it. Now it's not showing caption here because I turned off the volume. So I have to turn the volume on. So you can see caption now. So click on it. It's now running through the video to generate caption. Okay. That's text caption for your video. So that's done. Look at this. All right. The next thing I will do now is to make it suitable for me. Maybe make it all cap. Okay. So what I do is I'll click on it, and then you see edit text. Just go to edit text. Now I can decide to split this. It's too long, so I can bring some down. Just click on at any point you want to cut the text from, bring it down. Okay. So if you now want to, I can click on save. If you now want to change the background of this text, you go to text icon here where you have the A, click on it. You can you see, click on it again, you see the color. Now you can select a different color. Can you see now? Let me select this color. Yeah, this one is okay for me. Okay. Now I want it to be all cap. So instead of me going to the text area to begin to edit it one after the other to be cap, I can just select a font here that will give me all cap. There's one font I saw, I think this one here is now all cap. That's it. Once you are done, click on this X to return, and then you can play your video. Can you see why I was trying to split it so that this doesn't occur? Okay, so you split it so this doesn't occur. For this one now, let me work on it. So I'll come here and I'll cut it. Okay, so that's it, and I will click on save. Then that one is done. Okay, so once you are done, click on this and then return the arrow here, and you want to download it now, just click on this down arrow, scroll up, you can see save. When you save it, when you click on save now, it downloads it to your phone in case you want to use it on any other platform. If you like this video, do follow me for more.